Hey guys, and welcome back. So now we're going to take a look at various tests comparing different masks as well as different intensity for the drag itself. And before I do that, I wanted to show one more thing here inside the mask. What we can do as well is we can add a noise to break up the mask even more. So let's wait for this. And let me do a quick test with the, let's copy this value. I want to add the vorticity. So let's go here and let's grab this part. Okay, and let's multiply it with this. Cool. And let's set this to 1, 2. And we can add a noise to this. So let's create a turbulent noise. Let's use the point position. And I'm going to clamp this because I'm going to clamp the noise because it returns negative values. I want just the positive values. I'm going to use this as a multiplier on top. And you can see we're getting more breakups now with this. And we're going to see the effect of this. Let's try Perlin noise. I think the frequency is too high. Let's try 2, 2, and 2. Set this to 2. Yeah, something like that. It's very aggressive and it adds a lot of breakup. And we're going to see how this affects the look of the sim. So the first test is this one, and this is testing different masking method, different values. So this is the default one. This is using a wide range from the velocity and vorticity. Basically anything that has turbulence is being captured and dragged. This is with a mask that is tighter, so it doesn't capture too much of the sim. And this is with the noise added, like I just showed you guys. And you can, if we compare here, this is the area where the drag is starting to turn on. You can see how the noise is helping break this pattern because it's each part is being dragged differently, and so that shows here. This is the original sim. You can see how far the waves are, how far the waves reaching to the boundaries, and here is with a mask that affects pretty much anything that moves, and this is with a tighter mask, and this is with the noise. And then this is the same test but using different drag amplitude. Unfortunately I don't have the values, but I will get this and we'll share it with the details for week 4. And if we look at this frame, which is where most of the changes will show up, you can see with the noise and the high drag, the foam is not reaching to the boundaries as much as before. And while this one here, it just has the pull effect, which we call the pull effect, where there is no resistance. And here you can see the waves are being dragged and slowed down. So this is definitely much more realistic. I personally like the look with the noise because it helps create more variation at the leading edge. Here it's very uniform. You can see it. Here it's still uniform as well, which is fine, but I personally like this breakup. And that's pretty much it for adding the realistic drag to simulate interaction with the ocean. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in